your science class. I hope that you all are doing really good at your homes, and I hope that you all are keeping safe and taking good care of your health, and you're not troubling your parents, and you're revising lectures at home, you're doing worksheets, and you are able to give time to study and games equally. So, in the previous lecture, if you had attended the lecture, and I hope you have, we had discussed about the senses, different senses that we have in our body, that Allah has given us five senses. Um, the sense of sight, the sense of hearing, the sense of smell, the sense of touch, the sense of taste, and we had discussed the sense of sight we see with our eyes, and sense of hearing, which means that we hear with our ears, and the sense of smell, which means that we smell with our nose, and the sense of touch we feel with our skin, and the sense of taste, which means that we taste with things different, things with our tongues. So there's this these were the five senses that that are given to us by Almighty to for different purposes. So as you if you look at your face, every part of your face has a different function. It works for different different purposes. We have discussed about the sense, um, different senses. So every part, it acts as a as a tool for different purposes, different senses. So similarly, if you it's just like we have our tongue to taste different type of foods, we have our teeth for some function as well. So what is the function of our teeth? Teeth, which are present in our mouth, they help us to eat and to chew food. So when you eat something, first you will need teeth to chew food, and then you're going to break them into small pieces, and then that food, it goes into your stomach, and vice versa. And it then the other functions happen inside the body. So teeth, they play a very vital role in human functioning. So now there are so many teeth in our body, in our mouth. So can you name how many teeth? Can you guess how many teeth are present in an adult adult's mouth? um, can you guess? Yes, there are 32 teeth present in a healthy human being. In an adult human being, there are 32 teeth present, and scientists have named all these teeth differently because they are present there for different purposes, and they are named in different ways. So now look at this picture. You will see that these two teeth, the teeth in the front, they are called, these two teeth, they are called incisors. They are called incisors. These teeth that are present behind our in the back of our mouth are called premolars. These above the present, the teeth that are present above above part of the mouth, they are called premolars, and the teeth that are present below below the in below part of the mouth are called molars. These are called molars. You can, if you bring your mirror, and you will see that these are molars, and these are canines. These are canines. These are called canines teeth, and all these teeth have different purposes. So now let's the four different type of teeth with their purposes. What are these teeth used for? First of all, the incisors. These incisors, they are used for cutting food. They are used for cutting food. Incisors are used for cutting food. Now, canines. Canines are used for tearing food. These canines, they are sharp and they are used for cutting, for tearing food. These premolars, they are not sharp as incisors, and they are used for crushing food. They crush food. If you put food in your mouth, you are going to crush them with your premolars. And molars, which are here, they are for chewing food, for chewing purposes. These are used for chewing purposes. So there are four kind of teeth present inside the human mouth: incisors, canines, premolars, and molars. Incisors are used for cutting food, canines are used for tearing food, premolars are used for crushing food, and molars are used for chewing food. So now, do you know that when the baby is born and when the baby grows, the first set of teeth that the baby has, what are they called? They are called baby teeth. So the first set of teeth that a person or a baby has, that grows inside a human's mouth, are called baby teeth. They are called baby teeth. Okay. So now, this is all for today. In the next lecture, we are going to discuss more about teeth. So, what you need to do is you need to just learn about the four different types of teeth and their and the different purposes and different purposes. Okay, so I will see you in the next lecture. And okay, now let's just discuss more about it. Before ending the lecture, let's just discuss more about it. So, do you know that how many teeth does okay? So, there are an adult, as I've already told you, an adult has how many teeth? An adult has 32 teeth. An adult human being has how many teeth? 32 teeth, until and unless any of it is broken. So, a normal human being has 8 incisors. How these teeth are divided? That the there are 8 incisors. How many incisors? 8 incisors for cutting food. These are the name of the incisors. These two: central incisor, lateral incisor, and then there's this again. This is central incisor. This part of the this is the only the right part of the teeth set of teeth is talking about. So similarly, the same pattern goes for the left side of the teeth. So we are talking about only one set of teeth. So if you are going to add two, then it makes 8 incisors. So this is central incisor, this is lateral incisor, this is central incisor, and this is lateral incisor. So there are total 8 incisors for cutting food. And incisors are the sharpest teeth. Which teeth are the sharpest teeth? Incisors are the sharpest teeth. Remember that the sharpest teeth inside a human body are called incisors. Okay. Now there are four canines. Four canines. Now there are 4 canine teeth. This is one canine, and this is another canine, then the other one is here, and the other one is here. So 4 canine teeth. 4 canine teeth. And what are canines used for? For tearing food. They are pointed and sharp. Canines are pointed and sharp. If you look at your as you can feel, if you are going to touch your teeth, you can feel canines. They are pointed and sharp. So what's the shape? They are pointed and sharp. There are 8 premolars. First premolar, second premolar, first premolar, second premolar, then there's again first premolar, and second premolar is similarly on this side. So therefore, they are used for crushing food. How many premolars are there? There are 8 premolars, and they are bigger, stronger, and they have ridges. These are ridges that are present in them. These are called ridges, as you can see in the other picture as well. So they have ridges, and they are bigger, stronger, and they have ridges. And how many premolars are there? There are 8 premolars. Then there are 12 molars. First molar, second molar, third molar, first molar, second molar, and third molar. Okay. Then similarly on this side as well. So how many molars are there? There are 12 molars. And what are molars used for? They use for chewing food until it is mashed, and they are the toughest of the teeth. So which teeth are the toughest? The molars are the toughest set of teeth. They are wider and stronger than premolars. They are much wider and stronger than the premolar. They are the back side of the mouth. So how many molars are there? There are 12 molars, and they are used for chewing food until it is mashed. And they are the toughest of the teeth. They are wider and they are stronger than premolars. So how many set of teeth we have an adult human being has? It has 32 teeth, 8 incisors, 4 canines, 8 premolars, and 12 molars. Okay, and all these are used for, incisors are used for cutting food, canines are used for tearing food, premolars are used for crushing food, and molars are used for chewing food. Okay students, please revise this lecture at your home and learn the names of these teeth, and learn how many sets of teeth are there, and please do your worksheet on time. And if you have any problem, you can ask me, and in the next lecture we are going to discuss more about teeth. Till then, take care and Allah Hafiz.